Welcome to Flowgy. In this video, we will show how to start working in a new study. To start working in a new study, we first have to open or load a CT scan, which is a very easy task. We just click the Add button in the area CT scan. Flowgy works with a vast variety of different formats, but in this case, we focus on the two most important ones, which are DICOM and NRRD files. The DICOM format is the most common way to work with digital images and the patient's information. Specialists, like radiologists, work with this format on a daily basis. To open DICOM, we first have to select the folder where it is saved in. Click here, go through your folders, choose the folder where one or more DICOMs are in, and select Choose. Then you hit the Search DICOM button, and after that, in this area here, there will be shown all the DICOMs that were in this folder. In our case, it's only one. Now we select Get an RRD file or DICOM series. Now we have to name our CT case. We just name it DICOM file. Press New and say Yes. And here we already can see our CT scan. When we go back to our study page, we can see that our case has been created. Here. We can also see that it's opened, indicated by the green light. We can open or load in an infinite amount of different CT scans. We can delete or refresh them. But if we want to work with another CT scan, it is important to close the one that is already opened. Here we can close it. Indicated by the red light here. Now we create another CT case to get to know how to move between different cases. In this case, we get an RRD. We already selected the path and said Get NRD and name our case and say New. Yes. When we now go back to our study page, we can see that we created a second file. When one file is opened, like the NRD file, indicated by the green light, we cannot select the DICOM file, or any other file if there would be one. To do that, we have to close our current file, say Yes, and then click the other file. Now we can open and refresh them like we want. This is how to work in the study page. Step by step, task by task.